We've seen how describing distributions with a display is very useful for giving a quick, comprehensive view of the data distribution. But sometimes we want to describe our distributions with a number. So what kind of advantage would that provide? Well, what if we wanted to answer the question, does education pay more? Maybe we're told that people with more education earn more on average than people with less information. Well, how much more? Is it enough to justify the additional time and money spent to get that additional education? Well, we can go to something like the Census Bureau and we can find out for 2013, the total incomes of 136,641,000 people aged 25 and older, and we can compare that based on their education level. We see the total number of people in several education categories, and it's split from 1 to $24.99, then $2,500 to $49.99, and so on. So there's an awful lot of information. So certainly we could create a histogram to display that data, but if we could just provide a simple number that can summarize this information, then that would allow us to be able to make sensible comparisons. That would help us answer how much more people with different levels of education are making. So in this chapter, what we're going to do is learn several ways to summarize large data sets with just a few numbers. By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to use these methods to summarize large data sets, and you'll be able to provide an answer as to whether education really pays.